Is there really a mermaid in this world? In Europe, China, Japan, and other parts of the world, there are records of mermaids. If the mermaid were just a legend, then why is it there? In ancient times when information was underdeveloped, will there be the same record? The oceans cover 70% of the planet. Humans currently only explore 5% of the oceans. We know nothing about the other 95% of the ocean. Let's start with a video. This was taken in Israel in 2013. Witnesses said they saw a woman. The car is lying on a rock. What happens when witnesses find him? He immediately jumped into the sea. You can clearly see the tail of his mermaid. What about another video? It was on a fishing boat in Germany. What happens when fishermen put up their nets? An incredible scene occurred. One can be seen sticking out of the fishing net. With bushy hands, fishermen are panicking. Let this creature go. Is the mermaid real? It's been very controversial. This is 1960. British anthropologist Alistair Haddey proposed the sea connection theory. In Darwin's theory of evolution, that humans evolved from ancient times, but between 4 million and 7 million, broken cities with original fossils appeared. Nothing in that range was found. The original fossil geologists also discovered, between 4 million and 8 million, East and North Africa, huge areas were underwater. What about this forced part of the ancient plain? Migrate to the ocean to survive, and evolved into Hayuan. He found some evidence at sea, proof that humans once lived under the sea. Human skin is relatively smooth. It doesn't have the hairs that other primates have. More like a dolphin. Whales are marine mammals. In addition, human babies are born with to have the instinct to hold your breath and swim. Learning to walk requires more than a year of practice, and the human body is about 70% water. That's more than any other primate. Primates don't have subcutaneous fat. Humans have intact subcutaneous fat. It's more like a marine mammal. This feature is more like an adaptation, evolved from life in the water. If the sea statement holds true, then it is very likely part of it is coming back to land. Evolved into humans? What about the other branch? Evolved into the legendary mermaid. Do you believe in sea talk and the existence of mermaids?